Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, April 23rd, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner at the end of the video, and take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Make sure you watch the video on the home screen to learn more. So, anyways, the Aussie dollar did drift up pretty strong. I mean, the US dollar Swiss, I'm sorry. The US dollar Swiss definitely did drift up very strong. It definitely did break structure, but it almost instantly rejected structure, which is kind of a red flag. We cannot really deny that the very high time frames are definitely still in a downtrend. Price did go up pretty strong, but it was not able to break it home above structure. For me, the fact that it has five waves right here does make me think there is a good chance that we might see a significant pullback, maybe even something like this. But really, we can't argue with the market, and the market is definitely still in a downtrend, which means on these shorter time frames, it is definitely possible that it just keeps on going down. Now, with this impulsive move up, I have my Fibonacci retracement right here. If I do get a Fib bounce, if I do get one, two, three waves down, if I do get an engulfing move to the upside, I definitely would think it would be worth trying to go long. And then if it goes up and breaks structure, that should give you a little bit more confidence to hold on to your longs. Because at least if it gives you a break of structure, you could say that that daily five waves that I just showed you is complete and that we are at least going to make it some sort of a crescent to the last five ways down, or possibly even some sort of a trend reversal. But be cautious. The trend is definitely still down on the higher time frames, and we really can't argue the fact that it may just keep on trending down. So, anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.